Yes.
The Supreme Court has given its verdict. Licenses after 10th of January 2008 are quashed. So 122 licenses quashed. The TRAI will make fresh recommendations
That is incredible.
for the sale of spectrum. Some government respondent to pay 5 crore each to Supreme Court legal service. So very clear, the first judgment is out. Any licenses that have been issued after the 10th of January, those were the controversial licenses given by the then telecom.
That is massive. That is huge.
Been quashed. 122
that is huge.
licenses quashed. That's a huge.
That is incredible. This is absolutely incredible.
The Supreme Court has also stated that the TRAI will need to make a fresh recommendation on how the further auction of this 2G spectrum scam.
That is incredible.
Will need to be done. So the TRAI government will need to go back to the TRAI. It also says auction should take place. 2G spectrum should also be auctioned like 3G spectrum. These are some of the key points of the first judgment in the Supreme Court today. All 122 licenses have been quashed by the court. Huge ramifications for the telecom sector. Any of these licensees who had already rolled out clearly will now need to hold back. The government will cancel all these licenses. The government has to go and seek fresh recommendations from the TRAI for the sale of licenses, and the Supreme Court pointing out that 2G spectrum also should be auctioned just like 3G spectrum has been, and that is huge policy ramifications for the government. The entire telecom sector will be in a tizzy. Chidambaram case has been left open for the trial court to
Chidambaram case moves to the trial court.
Moves to the special CBI court on the 4th of February. The P. Chidambaram case has been left open for the trial court to decide. So the CBI special court, Justice Seni, will take a call on February the 4th on what will really be the status of Mr. P. Chidambaram. Will he be seen as a co-accused?
Chidambaram gets a breather.
Also, in future, CBI reports will be... the third judgment is also in future, CBI reports will be given to the CVC. So there is no special SIT which will be set up, but the CBI will have to give all its reports to the Central Vigilance Commission, the CVC. 3 judgments out in the space of the last 7 minutes.
Incredible. This is major. First on Times Now breaking this morning.
By the Supreme Court.
This is absolutely major. Navika, I want to put it in perspective. Chidambaram gets a breather. Breaking news number 1. The story moves over today after tomorrow. Second story is that all the controversial licenses has been quashed. This is really a big, massive blow for the UPA government. A massive blow for every minister in the government who has been pushing for the 2G licenses. And it's going to shake the very foundations of the telecom industry in this country. A huge judgment. 122 licenses cancelled, Navika. This is really, besides asking for a fresh spectrum of the 2G auction, all rollout obligations will now be looked at. We're going to get reactions from the corporate world. Navika, yes, please go on with more.
As far as the CBI is concerned, in all future cases, CBI reports will be given to the CVC. The CVC will put these reports before the court in a sealed envelope. So the CBI will report to the CVC. The CVC will submit the reports in a sealed envelope to the Supreme Court. This is massive. The CBI clearly being put under the jurisdiction of the courts. The CBI through the CVC will come to the courts. So it's not one but 2 organizations, 2 statutory organizations.
It's a big blow for the government, no doubt.
The CBI will submit its reports to the CVC, and the CVC will give all of these in a sealed envelope to the Supreme Court. And that is 3 judgments that have come out. P. Chidambaram's case still open to be taken up by Justice.
Well, it doesn't. Let me say this, Navika. Let me say this, Navika, that of course Chidambaram's case is another case, but this is today a massive blow for the government.